What do you think we can do to better give women the confidence to talk about life insurance, to start applying for the coverage they need? And how do you think female financial professionals like yourself are really in a good position to be addressing those needs?
Well, that's a great question, Jenna. I think that women in particular now are getting more educated. That's a positive, I think, because they're starting to see, well, I do have a voice when it comes to family finances, for example. And I think there's more and more stories out there as well that women don't want to be left on the sidelines if, God forbid, their partner or spouse passes before them. Because there's so many stories out there that, unfortunately, women don't know how to navigate through that if they haven't had any education or being informed of what the steps are. For me, when I work with my clients, I always find it very important to involve both partners. And because, God forbid, in the event of something happening, they need to be able to know who to contact in the event of an incident happening. And not only that, the emotional part of that as well, because grief is a very tough road to navigate. And I think if you have the right advisor to be able to help you, guide you through what steps are needed, at least that's half the battle, in the sense that you don't have to address that. But also, going back to your question on how do we help women get more informed, I think it's just involving them more in the conversations. For example, if you're speaking to a particular partner, maybe propose that question, right? Well, how about we involve both partners in these conversations? I think that's a stepping stone to helping more women be more involved in those conversations.